Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back. Can you guess what day it is? It's unboxing day. It's unboxing day. I got something cool in the mail. I wonder what it is. I wonder what it is. Let's see what we got. Uh oh. Wait a minute. I'm hearing something. Do y'all hear something? What's that playing? Let's see. Is it coming from the box? Is it coming from the unboxing? Let's see what we have. We're back. It's our certificate of authenticity. But I wonder what we have. Guess what, guys? Here it is. Coin of the day. I bet y'all didn't know I was a secret agent, did you? That's right. My name is Evans, Ivan Evans, the new 007, licensed to bring you silver. Licensed to bring you silver. That's right, guys. And I just want to say that music doesn't belong to me. I just had to play it in the back. Check it out, guys. This is what you call a collector's item. Check it out. Check that nice piece of silver out. I'm part of the 007 Club. I'm a silver assassin, guys. 007's in the house. Check it out. Hey, y'all got to join the team and start getting nice coins to your collection. Look at it, guys. Look at it. All I can say is remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Building this YouTube channel. But hit me back if you want to learn how to get coins just like this. That's what I'm talking about. And let's go. Let's end it. Let's end it. Peace.